Well, it's Thanksgiving Day, 8 a.m. We're pulling in 500 watts. We articulate our solar panels.
Look how low the sun is in the sky still. Man, it's going to be a good Thanksgiving day. We're definitely going to need that power for cooking, because we're going to be cooking off the grid on the boat. First Thanksgiving. I'm excited.
It took us 3 weeks to make it the 600 some miles from Norfolk, Virginia to Port Royal, South Carolina, so we were just in time to miss Thanksgiving dinner with the family. But with a combination of dock power and a bright sunny day with our solar panels, we were able to make all of our favorite traditional dishes right there on the boat. That's our new home right up there. See all those sailboats next to the bridge? Port Royal Landing Marina. That's where we'll be for at least about a month, maybe 3. It's been a long trip. Today's Thanksgiving. We didn't make it home in time, but we made it to the marina, so that's something. Slowly approaching. We've learned to take it nice and easy. No mistakes this time, hopefully. Should be really easy actually, just sliding right in.
We're completely at slack tide, so give her a heave my way.
Right now?
Yep. A little harder. Captain Ron! Hey, look, there's Luke.
Oh shit. One day, you just slap at it.
I do! You gotta do! You just slap at it. See you later. Out here.
Well, it took us 3 weeks, or maybe a little bit more, but we made it. Let's get Bentley. She's probably dying. Actually, today was a really easy day for her. You ready to go potty? You ready to go?
Holy moly.
Let's go explore.
Whoa! It's Thanksgiving on a boat! Say hello.
Hello, happy Thanksgiving.
Say hello. That's all we got.
That's dog talk.
Okay. Ow!
Aw.
Boom! I mean, ceiling.
Everything's so
Whatever.
healthy nowadays.
Plates. Plates of foods. We have mashed potatoes and sausage gravy, my choice.
This is nice.
And green bean casserole. Gotta have green bean casserole. Sweet Hawaiian. And pineapple ham. And I think we're forgetting something else we have, but maybe not.
I think that's it.
Each other!
Oh yeah, we do have that.
Love! And Walking Dead.
Walking Dead. Bentley, is that a good Thanksgiving dinner? Everybody's got a good belly. Almost. I'm still working on my belly. Happy Thanksgiving. Once we got Harmony settled into our new temporary home in South Carolina, we worked up some money and hurried home to my parents in Kentucky for Christmas. What is it?
It's something I can wear. Yeah. And see, this would be a lot easier to get yours on too. Because I can don mine as soon as we start heading offshore. I'm like, I've got mine on. If you want to be on deck, you need to get yours on. You can't argue with me because I'll have mine on. You ever hear that? Boom. Fingers crossed that's what sends you in, so
I think it was.
thank you very much.
Get over here.
Wow.
Our president have no idea what it is.
You're what right now?
A present.
We open our present.
There it is.
I'm pretty jacked.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Let me help you. Can you get it? It's heavy.
So you can see what's going on in here.
Oh, I read the paper on
Oh, you can see it. Just won't focus on the beauty.
On
of
yours?
it.
On the other
That's
one.
beautiful. That's bigger than the last one. You try to zoom it out. But yeah.
That's okay.
Slowly and
present.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
for both of y'all.
Yeah,
Got your name on
yeah.
it too.
it shows that there's gold here, man. There's a lot.
See, it's red or green.
That is a nice nugget.
That's for both of y'all.
We're gonna grab some paper, brother. Show some paper to grab.
Oh, yeah.
You getting in on this?
Yeah, that's a chunk right there.
Ooh, there's a maid.
That's nugget number 2 out of that wall. 3?
So go the directions aside.
There's a lot of gold in there. Look at all that gold. Nice. We did good today. We did good. And that was our first
Sweet. We're
dig.
gonna be
So,
set all night.
you know,
I can't remember.
we're going to bring the
It's
sluice
almost
box up
exactly
here.
like the other one.
And we're going to
Unlimited
do part
Netflix.
2
No.
within the next 4 days. You can bet on it. We'll come in and do part
We
2
appreciate the
and,
support of each of our subscribers, and we hope that you get something out of each video. Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you would like a Voyage Off the Grid market bag, please click the link in the description. Happy holidays!